Hello, welcome to Math Companion. I hope you had a great time. So we are solving the system of equations here. And the first thing, what we need, just consider the first equation. So if x plus y is equals to 2 pi minus 3, then we can say y is simply equal to 2 pi over 3 minus x. Very important. We are going to use this with time. Now we move to the second equation. And here sine x by doing cross multiplication can be written as 2 sine y. And then now making substitution in the second equation, or what we just found here, we are going to make a substitution over here. So sine x will be equals to 2. Now instead of sine y, I'm going to have 2 sine 2 pi over 3 minus x. Okay, now the two angle formula for sine, we all know the two angle formula for sine is usually written as sine A minus B is simply equal to sine A cos B minus cos A sine B. So we are going to use that formula to work out what we have here, after the equal sign. Now, then we are going to have to write sine x. Sine x will be equals to, now sine, instead of 2 pi over 3, so it's going to be sine 2 pi over 3, the cosine x, then minus cos 2 pi over 3, 2 pi over 3 sine x. And all this, it's actually multiplied by 2. Everything that we have here, we have a 2 here. Then sine x will be equals to, now 2 sine pi over 3, it's going to be 2 sine pi over 3 is equals to the square root of 3 over 2 cosine x. Cosine x minus cosine 2 pi over 3. Cosine 2 pi over 3, actually 2 pi over 3, this is like 120 degrees. So the cosine of 120 degrees is going to be negative. So negative 0.5 and a negative and a negative. So it's going to be a plus here. So it's going to be cosine 1 over 2. So because we are multiplying by 2 all over, so times 1 over 2 sine x. Now, our next step, sine x will be equals to, so we are going to have this one cancelling because the denominators are the same throughout. So, so sine x in this case will simply be equals to the square root of 3 cosine x. All right, so plus sine x. Good. Now, at this stage, we are going to reorganize the equation. So the sine and the sine cancels out, this one. Over here, we have this. So the sine and this sine cancels out. So we are going to remain with the square root of 3. So we are going to have the square root of 3. The square root of 3 cosine x will be equals to 0. Now, therefore, we say cosine x is equals to 0 divided by the square root of 3, which is just 0. All right, so x will be equals to the cos inverse, of 0, the cos inverse of 0 plus pi n, because the cosine is an even function, so we are going to include a plus or minus. So x will be the cos inverse of 0, it's actually pi over 2. So plus or minus pi over 2 plus pi n. Now, if we are dealing with the first quadrant, the two solutions for x will be equals to, so the x1 will be equals to pi over 2, the x2 will be equals to minus pi over 2. Now then, after this, we need to work out what will be y. So our y1, it's going to be 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 2. All right? So, which is going to be 2 pi over 3. So, let me make a substitution here. It's going to be 2 pi over 3 minus pi over 2, based on the equation that we have here. Actually, by doing a subtraction here, so this is going to be, so here it's going to be 4 over, so it's going to be pi over 6. So y1 is going to be pi over 6. y1 in this case will be pi over 6. And then the next value for y here, when x is 2, we are going to get y2, which is equals to the same thing we did here, which is going to be 2 pi over 3 minus a half. So it's going to be plus pi over 2. So this is going to be, the y2 is going to be equal to 5 pi over 6. So y2 is going to be 5 pi over 6. All right, so these are the 4 different solutions from the system of equations. We can have a lot more multiple solutions based on the periods, but now we are just working out the solution based on the first quadrant from 0 to a half pi. So if we are working on the first quadrant, it therefore means in the second case, y2 will not be, if we are working with the first quadrant, we are going to ignore this and this solution. So the true solution in the first quadrant alone, it's going to be the solution of x1 and that one of y1, which is pi over 2 and pi over 6. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe so that you get updated every time we post very, very interesting math question. Have a great time. Bye bye.